Let's talk about Procreate brushes. I'm Christy. I teach lettering and doodling on the iPad, and here's my favorite brushes. Okay, I'm going to go to brushes. I'm going to click on calligraphy. See how the blue icon is there? And then I'm going to go down to monoline. That's the one I'm using now. And depending on what size you want your brush to be, and if you turn the size down, you can make it smaller. So see how it's not as thick. Another one of my favorite brushes is, as a hand letterer, I love this, is the script brush. I'm still on calligraphy and I'm gonna scroll. Here's the script brush and then I'm gonna play with it. Now, what's really cool about this one is it's pressure sensitive, okay? So if you press down, you're gonna get a thicker line, okay? And if you lift up, you're gonna get a thinner line. Let me show you again. See, it's pressure sensitive. Heavy down, light up. And with brush lettering, that's important to be able to have the thick and thin strokes. These brushes are good and versatile. Every time I want to do some kind of doodling, I like to use monoline. When I'm doing my hand lettering, I love to write with script. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you're following so you don't miss out on the videos, and my membership is opening soon.